Okay, the last thing you need to know about telling time is AM and PM. So AM starts at midnight when you are asleep or should be sleeping. So 12 a.m. is midnight, and AM ends when it becomes 12 p.m., which most people call noon. So 12 p.m. is usually around lunchtime. So for example, if it is 3:05 a.m., that's when we're all asleep. If it is 3:05 p.m., that's when we would be at school, or maybe on a weekend you might be at the park hanging out with your family. So AM and PM is just a way to tell people, is it morning or is it afternoon? And we say afternoon because PM is noon. So afternoon, we know PM. So just think of things that you would do during AM and PM times. So for example, if it is 12:35 p.m., that's afternoon. So you might be eating lunch, you might be taking a walk, hanging out with a babysitter. If it is 12:35 a.m., you're probably asleep. Okay, now let's think about 4:55. And remember, as the minute moves, the hour moves. So 4:55 a.m. is sleeping time. 4:55 p.m. You might be at a sport practice, or you might be helping cook dinner. And we'll do one more example. Let's say 8:15 a.m. So if it is 8:15 a.m., that means the morning. So you would be getting to school. You might be going to church on a Sunday morning at 8:15 a.m. 8:15 p.m., you might be getting ready for bed. Maybe doing homework for the next day, packing up your book bag, packing your lunch, reading a bedtime story. So 8:15 p.m. So AM, think about midnight to the morning. PM, think about after lunch through bedtime.